Welcome to our deep dive into the world of prompt engineering. Today, we're going to unravel two key aspects. Firstly, we'll explore what is prompt engineering. And secondly, I'll introduce you to some of the top trending prompt engineering full courses available. But let's address a critical question that might be on your mind. Why is prompt engineering so important? The significance of prompt engineering has skyrocketed, especially when we consider compensation in the field. A blog post from OpenAI highlighted that engineers there make around $925,000 per year. Moreover, there are currently available positions in OpenAI for AI engineers and prompt engineers, offering salaries ranging from $310,000 to $385,000. Another AI company, Anthropic, is also in the spotlight, with available positions for prompt engineer managers boasting salaries between $320,000 to $520,000. This level of compensation from top AI companies underscores the value and demand for prompt engineers in the industry. It's no wonder that prompt engineering jobs are becoming increasingly popular in 2024. This surge in interest leads us to an important question. What exactly is prompt engineering? Let's delve into that and break down the essence of prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is a technique used with AI to guide it in creating specific outputs. Think of it as giving precise instructions to make sure the AI understands and produces what you want, whether it's writing text or creating images. It's important because it helps improve the quality of what the AI creates, ensures the AI understands the task clearly, and allows for creative and specific results. For example, instead of just asking an AI to write a poem, you would give it detailed guidance like, write a short poem about a cat in the style of William Blake, which helps the AI understand exactly what to generate. Prompt engineering involves experimenting with different ways of asking to get the best result. It's a mix of art and science, requiring both creativity and understanding of how AI works. This skill is becoming more valuable as AI technology advances, making it a sought-after ability in fields where AI-generated content is used. After grasping the essence of prompt engineering, many of you might be eager to delve deeper and elevate your career to the next level. Recognizing this enthusiasm, I'm excited to share with you some of the top trending prompt engineering full courses. These comprehensive courses are designed to kickstart your journey into prompt engineering immediately. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills for professional growth or simply curious about harnessing the power of AI through effective communication, these courses offer a pathway to mastering the art and science of prompt engineering. Start learning today and unlock the potential to transform how you interact with AI, opening doors to innovative solutions and creative explorations in your field. Course number 1, ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers by Andrew Ng. In the digital cosmos where AI becomes an extension of our minds, ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers by Andrew Ng is a beacon of knowledge for those who wish to converse with AI like an old friend. This course is not just an educational journey, it's a rite of passage for developers who aspire to harness the creative and analytical prowess of large language models, LLMs. Imagine having the power to direct an AI with the precision of a maestro. Through the art of prompt engineering, this course shapes you into a craftsman of commands, teaching you to sculpt prompts that make ChatGPT sing a melody of desired outputs. Whether it's generating code, translating languages, or crafting creative text, your words become the wand that conjures the magic of AI. Beyond the basics, this course takes you into the depths of APIs, turning theory into a symphony of practical applications. You'll learn to integrate the ethereal intelligence of LLMs into your software, breathing life into your applications with a whisper of prompts. And with Andrew Ng's guidance, you're not just learning, you're evolving with every lesson, every exercise, every piece of code. But it's not all smooth sailing. The course is candid about the challenges, navigating potential biases in AI outputs, crafting prompts that avoid ambiguity, and optimizing the balance between human creativity and AI efficiency. It's an honest look at the prompt engineering landscape, preparing you for the realities of working with AI. By the end of this course, your toolkit will be brimming with the knowledge to craft prompts that coax nuanced responses from ChatGPT, seamlessly integrate AI into your applications, and push the boundaries of what's possible in AI-assisted development. You emerge not just as a developer, but as an architect of AI interactions. So, if you're ready to step into the future where your commands set the course for AI, where your development projects leap forward with the power of LLMs, ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers awaits you. It's not just a course, it's your gateway to becoming a maestro of the AI age. Course number 2, Generative AI for Beginners by Microsoft. Embark on a digital odyssey with Microsoft's Generative AI for Beginners, where the enigma of AI creation is unraveled. This free, beginner-friendly course is a gateway to the revolutionary world of AI that generates new, unprecedented content, from poetic verses to complex code. As you step into this realm, you'll discover the essence of generative AI. These are not mere algorithms, they are virtual artists, scribes, and inventors, all rolled into one, with the power to craft the unimaginable. The course illuminates the pathways through which AI perceives prompts and spins out outputs that mirror human creativity. The course is a trove of knowledge, demystifying the art of prompt engineering. You'll master the language of interaction with AI, learning to pose prompts that guide the AI to your intended creative destination. Whether it's text, images, or code, you will possess the skill to stir the AI cauldron and concoct magic. Microsoft doesn't just teach, it takes you by the hand and leads you through the practical wilderness of generative AI applications. From the studios of graphic designers to the desks of software engineers, generative AI's tendrils extend far and wide, transforming every touchpoint into a canvas of innovation. And what's a course without getting your hands dirty? Generative AI for Beginners is immersive, offering hands-on experience with Azure OpenAI service, allowing you to witness firsthand the transformative power of your prompts. It's here that theory meets practice, and learners turn into creators. By journey's end, you will emerge not just with a foundational understanding of generative AI, but with a newfound ability to converse with machines in their native tongue of innovation. This course is more than an education. It's an invitation to join the ranks of those shaping the future with each command they type. So, if you're ready to step through the looking glass into a world where AI is your creative cohort, Generative AI for Beginners by Microsoft is your portal. The future of creation beckons. Are you ready to answer the call? Course number 3, Prompt Engineering Guide by Dare AI. Unlock the code to conversational wizardry with Dare AI's Prompt Engineering Guide. This isn't just a course, it's a compendium of insights, a repository where the arcane arts of prompt engineering meet the methodical world of AI communication. Embark on a journey through meticulously curated materials that make the complex art of prompt engineering accessible to all, with learning guides tailored to both the neophyte and the sage. Dare AI's guide is a beacon for those navigating the vast seas of large language models, LLMs. In this treasure trove, you'll find advanced prompting techniques, transforming you from an apprentice to a master of the craft. These potent strategies elevate your prompts from mere questions to incantations, commanding AI to yield outputs that resonate with precision and creativity. But the knowledge doesn't end there. Model-specific guides unveil the secrets to optimizing prompts for a spectrum of LLMs, each with its own temperament and talents. Dare AI equips you with the tools to harness the full spectrum of AI personalities, crafting prompts that sing in perfect harmony with their intended model. As you immerse yourself in lecture materials and research papers, you'll be walking the halls of an invisible university, one where knowledge flows freely and innovation knows no bounds. Here, in the midst of dialogue with experts and scholars, your command of prompt engineering grows stronger, more intuitive, and for the practical-minded, Dare AI's guide provides a compass pointing to tools and references. Whether you're seeking code repositories to tinker with or communities to join, you're never alone on this quest. The guide is not just a manual, it's a portal to a fellowship of prompt engineers, all sharing the same vision. Whether you're a researcher deciphering the runes of AI language, a developer seeking to embed intelligence into your software, or a curious mind drawn to the allure of AI dialogue, Dare AI's Prompt Engineering Guide is your trusted grimoire. It's more than a course. It's a continuous journey of discovery, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with the written word. In the realm of AI, where the language you wield shapes the reality you create, Dare AI stands as your guide. The next chapter of AI communication awaits your command. Course number 4, Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT by Coursera. Step into the digital classroom of the future with Coursera's Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT, an enlightening 6-week sojourn crafted by Vanderbilt University's Jules White. This course is a beacon for developers, lighting the path to mastery over the art of prompt engineering with ChatGPT, OpenAI's conversational AI phenom. In this deep dive, you're not just a student, you become an architect of dialogue, wielding the power of prompts to shape conversations and craft responses that are as accurate as they are engaging. The curriculum, sprawling over 30 instructional videos, is a meticulous montage of knowledge designed to guide you from the rudiments of prompt crafting to the subtleties of advanced pattern recognition. Here's what the Odyssey entails. Foundation building. Begin with an introduction to the world of prompts, uncovering the raw power of the right questions and commands. This module lays down the cornerstone of your journey, ensuring you understand the pivotal role of prompts in steering ChatGPT. Pattern recognition. Advance through successive modules where you'll learn to discern and create prompt patterns. These patterns are the DNA of effective AI interaction, and you'll be initiated into the secrets of their creation across several nuanced lessons. Application and experimentation. The true magic unfolds as you apply your newfound knowledge in exercises and projects. You'll experiment with few-shot examples, manipulating prompts to see how they influence the AI's outputs. It's here that you'll witness the transformative power of your words. Integration and innovation. The course is not confined to the abstract. You'll explore the practical side of prompt engineering, learning to fuse ChatGPT's API into your digital creations. This is where your projects leap from the realm of concept to the concrete world of apps and services. Coursera's offering is more than just an academic pursuit. It's a toolkit that arms you with the finesse and know-how to craft prompts that are clear, concise, and capable of unlocking the full prowess of ChatGPT. For the dedicated learner, the course materials are freely accessible, while those seeking to validate their prowess can opt for certification at a nominal fee. It's a small price to pay for the keys to the kingdom of AI communication. Course number 5. Introductory Course on Prompt Engineering by learnprompting.org. Introductory Course on Prompt Engineering. Celebrated as a beacon for both beginners and seasoned explorers in the world of AI, this course stands as a testament to the comprehensive nature of prompt engineering education. Delivered through a meticulously designed curriculum, this free online resource is revered not only for its depth and breadth, but for its unparalleled accessibility. At the heart of this course lies a foundational overview of artificial intelligence, setting the stage for a deep dive into the art and science of prompt engineering. The course takes its participants on an enlightening path, from unraveling the basics of AI interaction to mastering advanced prompt engineering techniques that have the power to shape the outputs of large language models, LLMs, with precision and creativity. Each module is a blend of detailed explanations, practical examples, and visual aids that not only facilitate understanding, but also make the learning process an engaging experience. The course covers a wide array of topics, starting with the essentials of prompting, including giving instructions, role prompting, few-shot prompting, and combining techniques. As learners progress, they are introduced to more sophisticated concepts like formalizing prompts, understanding the pitfalls of LLMs, and navigating through the intricacies of chatbot basics. Advanced stages of the course delve into topics like image prompting, prompt tuning, and more, ensuring a well-rounded education in prompt engineering. What sets this course apart is its commitment to making prompt engineering accessible to a wide audience. Whether you are a marketing professional looking to harness AI for creative content generation, a developer eager to integrate LLMs into your applications, or simply an AI enthusiast keen on exploring the potential of generative AI, this course offers valuable insights and skills. The comprehensive nature of the course, coupled with its practical approach to learning, empowers participants to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios, fostering innovation and creativity in AI applications. As we conclude our exploration of the introductory course on prompt engineering by learnprompting.org, we are reminded of the transformative power of education in the field of AI. This course not only demystifies prompt engineering, but also opens doors to endless possibilities. Course number 6. Prompt Engineering with Llama 2 by Meta AI and Deep Learning Team. Let's embark on a groundbreaking journey into the world of AI with DeepLearning.AI's newest offering, Prompt Engineering with Llama 2. This meticulously designed course is your gateway to mastering Llama 2, Meta AI's latest large language model, LLM, marvel, through the art and science of prompt engineering. As we dive into this course, you're not just learning to communicate with an AI, you're unlocking the potential to shape the future of technology. This course puts you at the forefront of AI interaction, teaching you how to craft precise prompts that turn your instructions into actionable insights and creations by Llama 2. Whether you aim to generate compelling narratives, solve complex coding challenges, or navigate the vast possibilities of AI, your journey begins here. You'll explore beyond the basics, venturing into techniques like few-shot prompting, which trains Llama 2 on minimal examples to perform tasks with astonishing accuracy. Chain of thought prompting unfolds, teaching Llama 2 to navigate through complex problem-solving processes, mirroring human reasoning. The course unveils how Llama 2 can become an indispensable partner in your coding projects. Learn to craft prompts that guide the model to understand your code better, suggest completions, and even generate innovative code variations, showcasing the model's remarkable versatility. Pivotal part of your learning journey involves navigating the ethical landscape of AI. This course equips you with the knowledge to craft prompts that are not only effective but also ethical, ensuring Llama 2's outputs are unbiased and responsible. Prepare to roll up your sleeves, as the course emphasizes hands-on learning. Through practical examples and a dynamic testing environment, you'll refine your prompting skills with Llama 2, witnessing the direct impact of your prompts and gaining insights to perfect your technique. By course's end, you'll emerge not just as a prompt engineering expert, but as a visionary ready to leverage Llama 2's capabilities to innovate and inspire. Whether enhancing your coding projects, exploring creative writing, or pioneering new applications, your journey with prompt engineering with Llama 2 marks the beginning of a new era in AI interaction. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, stay connected with the AI community through forums and discussions to share insights and discover future iterations of this transformative course. Your adventure into the limitless possibilities of AI and prompt engineering starts here with Prompt Engineering with Llama 2 by Deep Learning.ai. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at some of the most groundbreaking courses in AI and prompt engineering designed to take your skills to the next level. Whether you're diving into the intricacies of Llama 2 with Deep Learning.ai or exploring generative AI with Microsoft, each course promises a journey filled with discovery and innovation. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, the future of AI is in your hands. Subscribe for more insights and embark on your journey to mastery today.